What up, YouTube? FD White back with another episode of FD White Invest. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. So this video is for people who are you new to crypto? You want to watch this video. Are you majorly sidelined with no skin in the game? You want to watch this video. And make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, and make sure you watch to the very end because we are going to talk about it. But before that, we want to talk about the crypto market. Bitcoin is sitting at about 90,800 to 91K. We're teetering back and forth. So right now, what I'm looking at is possibly for us to cool off this weekend, probably hover around this 92 to 88 level. So a 4K difference, 4K range possibly. We need to break that 93. I think 93.5 is an all-time high. So we'll be taking a look at that. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 60%, 60.11 right now. It is coming down a little bit. And I think a lot of that money is going into a lot of the meme coins, the top meme coins, of course, but XRP. Shout out to the XRP army. We're up 27% today alone. On the week, I think we might be up over 100%, something crazy, man. A lot of people have been looking at the SEC, looking at Gary Gensler, talking about he's probably going to, or it's looking like Gary Gensler is probably going to resign because he is going to get fired day one. That's what Donald Trump said, but he probably wants to go out with a little bit of dignity. So it looking like he wants to probably ride into the sunset and resign. So XRP has broken out. We're at $1.14 on the dot at the time of recording, up 28%, and we're just going up massively. So shout out to everybody. I did sell 1/3 of my bag. Now I'm like, dang, if you watch that video, but I did put it in Peanut and I put some in Dogecoin, so I'm not tripping too bad. So I still had a nice chunk of XRP that's going up. So shout out to everybody who's been holding XRP. I've been holding mine since 2020. So shout out to everybody who's been holding XRP. So let's jump into what I want to talk about though. I want to talk about if you are sidelined or if you are new to crypto. So let's talk about the sideline people first. If you are sidelined in crypto and you have some money, you're looking for an entry. In a crypto bull run, sometimes those entries or sometimes the market doesn't give you a chance to get back in. We do have a correction. We do have corrections, rather. We do have sometimes some sort of retracement from a lot of these coins. But the key word is a lot of coins. That's the key, a lot of coins. There's so many opportunities in this space. So if you miss XRP, you can try to find something else. Even though I think XRP is at least going to $2 or maybe back to all-time highs around $3.50. I think this market is going much higher. So you may not get the X's that you want, but I do think you will get some nice appreciation from a lot of these coins, like even SUI. Like we were talking about SUI breaking out of that $2 range. Now it's almost at $3. I think it's going a lot higher. So I do think it's still fairly early to a lot of these big coins, a lot of these popular coins, a lot of these ones that have higher market caps. I think as the overall market cap of crypto goes up, as the overall price and market cap of Bitcoin goes up, that's just going to be better for altcoins. The higher Bitcoin goes, the higher Bitcoin dominance goes, the higher these altcoins can go because they will take some liquidity from Bitcoin once Bitcoin does disperse the liquidity throughout the markets. Number two, meme coins. I don't really like to talk about meme coins. I do play in the meme coin casino, but I really don't like to talk about meme coins. But that is a way that you can get exposure. It's very, very risky. It's more on the gambling side. I mean, it's all sort of like gambling, but when you're actually trading, when you're actually looking at some of these coins that have fundamentals, high market caps, and you know they're not going anywhere anytime soon, that's more of a calculated risk. Meme coins are more of like, okay, I'm a degenerate, including myself. I'm going to take this $50. I'm going to take this $100. I'm going to take this $500, and I'm going to try to turn it into 100,000 or 1 million, which is possible. But there's so many meme coins that's coming out. You go on pump.fund, you just see meme coin after meme coin after meme coin getting created. So it's kind of hard to navigate in that meme coin space. What you have to do is you have to find something, a narrative, a driver, something that a cultural meme, that's something that's resonating in the culture, something that's resonating in the world. Like we saw Peanut. Peanut took off because of the squirrel. We saw Fred, the raccoon. Fred took off. We saw Hezbollah's cat. I can't remember. Starts with the B. it's something, but he has took off because he's been a cultural meme for a minute, and I think his cat died, so his meme coin took off. So it's just a lot of different things that you can look at. I got wrecked in a meme coin yesterday called Thavage, not Savage, it was Thavage. It was a play off Mike Tyson's the way he talks, and it was a meme coin. I'm down like 95%, but I only put a couple dollars in there, so it was just something to test the waters. But it's just things like that I'm looking for, you know, cultural things, cultural memes, popular things, or something that happens in the world, and then a meme coin is created by it, and then that's the ones that I'm looking at. It is some that don't have anything like that attached to them, and they do well, but those are not the ones that I'm comfortable jumping into. So number 2, it is meme coin. So if you want to play in the meme coin casino, you want to put, you know, $10 here, $10 here, $10 here, and a couple of them, you know, maybe 200, 300x or 1,000%. But like, then you can start to build up some capital, and then you can put it into some coins that you know that will appreciate a little bit within the next few months. Number 3 is trading. And I'm not talking about meme coin trading, I'm talking about like actual trading. So this is for people who can actually trade, because these moves are getting very violent. We saw XRP, for example, break out of that downward sloping trend line that we've been in for like years, since like 2017, multi-year downtrend, finally broke above it, held it as support, and we shot up from like 60 cents to like $1.14 right now, which what we just talked about. So trading, because if you can trade, you can turn a little money to a lot, especially if you're using leverage. So me personally, that's one of the things that I am doing. I am using a prop firm as well, Breakout Prop Firm. I do have an affiliate link in the description below. If you don't know what a prop firm is, it's where you have to take an evaluation basically for a funded account. And if you pass this evaluation, if you make 10% before you lose 4%, then you get the money. So if you have a 5K account all the way up to a $100,000 account, and it's different prices. Price range from like $50 to like $800. So if you just say you get a $5,000 account for $50 using my link below, you make 10%, which is like $500. Before you lose 4%, you're a funded trader. They give you that $5,000 to trade with, and then it makes you, it kind of makes you trade the right way as well. So that's one reason, or one way. Or you could just take your own money and start trading if you know how to trade. Because if these move, like say if you're using leverage and these moves happen, a 20% move and 10x leverage is 200%, or even if you're just using 5x leverage or 2x leverage, it's just a little bit. These moves are very violent. You don't even need leverage, you can just trade. But if you want to add a little bit of spice to it, as I like to call it, you can use leverage. And these moves are getting very, 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 violent, very violent to the upside. So one thing I am looking at when it comes to trading is breakout retests. I'm looking at break of structure, and I'm looking at bull flags, bull pennants, falling wedges, things like that I've seen in the past to really, really work during bull runs. Those patterns really work. So that's some of the things that I'm looking at when it comes to trading. So really those 3 things are some of the things that I'm looking at if I'm sidelined. And if I'm just new, I am just starting to dabble. I'll go to Coinbase and get some free crypto if I'm new, and I'll start from there. Even if I don't really have that much money, that's what I would do. I will go to Coinbase, and Coinbase, I have a link to Coinbase. So if you use my Coinbase link, you can get $20 if you sign up using my link. You go to Coinbase rewards, and then you go over there and you read about some different cryptos, and you answer questions at the end, and then they give you free crypto. So you can you could do that. Build up, like maybe you could probably build up like 40, 50, maybe $100. I'm not sure, because I've been doing them over time. But if you're a new user, you probably can go over there and just get maybe like, I'll say probably like 30, 40, $50, maybe more. And then you can just take that money, convert it all back into like USDC or USDT, and then you can figure out what you want to buy and buy some crypto with that free money that you earn through the Coinbase reward. So that's what I would do. And then I would just start doing my research, going on CoinMarketCap and just looking at the top 25. That's what I would stick with at first, sticking to that top 25, and then buying some coins that have that are in the top 25 and watching them appreciate slowly. And then as you learn a little bit more, you're gonna have to learn quick, because the market is moving quick. As you learn a little bit more, you can go further down that risk curve in crypto, and even start to dabble in the meme coins, because everybody want to come in and get into meme coins. Like, I'm trying to tell you, like, that's gambling. You can make some money, but the real money is made in these bigger coins, these ones that are like pretty much stapled into the sector or into the space, and then you take some profits and play with the meme coin casino. So that's what I would do if I was a new user as well. And any questions that you have, man, put them in the comment below, or email me, or follow me on TikTok. I'm everywhere, all fdwhiteinvests, and I'll answer your questions, you know, to the best of my ability. I even have a Telegram you can come over to that I've been trying to be a little bit more active to, the Cool Kids Alpha group. So the link will be in the description below. And yeah, man, the market is moving, so we got to keep moving with it. We got to keep doing our due diligence and keep staying steady and steadfast in the market. And when it comes to researching, and shout out to you if you've been holding. And a lot of people, you know, we're getting a little bit growing tired. And you know, now we got this big pump, and I think it's going to continue. And yeah, we just go from there, man. So that's just my 2 cents when it comes to the market, if you're sidelined or if you're new to crypto. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I will have daily videos coming out, probably have a few more videos, technical analysis videos coming out later. So make sure you hit all bell notifications to know when I go live or drop a video. And I will talk to you later. Have a good, profitable weekend. Peace.